2047 Vikasit Bharat, Government of India is working. We are working Swarna Andhra Pradesh 2047. We had top 10 principles to adopt in the near future. In that, we are very clear. One is cost optimization of fuel. It may be petrol, diesel, how to reduce it, how to go for clean energy, green hydrogen, and also all vehicles, CNG, even LPG to CNG, how to go about, which is more cost effective, everything we are working. Now, green energy, if you see, recently, Honorable Prime Minister has laid the foundation Visakhapatnam, NTPC and GENCO, green hydrogen project, the capital outlay nearly 1,80,000 crores. That is the scope. We have laid the foundation recently. And also, Reliance is going in a big way, biofuel, 500 places, how to do all these things, plants, nearly 60,000 crores. And also we are going Greenco. It is one of the most impressive project as on today. Solar, wind and pumped energy and all put together green energy totally. Now they are going for green hydrogen project in Kakinada port. This is one of the best projects as on today. People are talking, but it has happened in Andhra Pradesh. That is our credibility, that is the proof of concept as on now. Now our government is working Surya Ghar and also Kusum. We have announced a policy. This is where we are announced a policy, democratization of power generation also, so that everybody can generate power, use power, and also any surplus, they can give it to grid. Sometimes any deficit, we will supply to them. Net metering will be available. That is how we are working in a big way. Now, what I wanted to impress upon you all, future is very clear. No CO2, net zero. That is the concept this government is working. Andhra Pradesh will become green energy hub in the near future. There is no doubt about it. That is where I am working. Everything net zero. How to go for waste to energy, liquid waste management, solid waste management, clean environment, green energy, and also we want to export green hydrogen products to other countries. As our friend has rightly, Mr. Gupta has rightly mentioned, Andhra Pradesh is located very strategic location, 1,000 kilometers sea coast, number of ports, nearly 13 to 11 to 12 ports we are going to have it. And also one of the most beautiful network of national highways. You can connect, you can go to any district headquarters, best road network. For all these things, what I wanted to tell you, this is the best suitable place for CNG. We can connect every home, even transportation also, that is what they are doing now. We will be very happy to associate. Ultimately, every home, if you can connect CNG, I will be very happy. Every industry, if you can connect, we will be very happy. My policy is very clear. One is cost optimization of fuel. It may be transportation, it may be domestic, it may be cooking, or it may be lighting, it may be air conditioning for all purposes, and it may be for industrialization or agriculture. Ultimately, cost is very, very important. And also, while optimizing the cost, clean energy is our policy. 100% I want to go for clean energy. That is a very clear indication. 100% we will do that. For all these things, we have given excellent policies. Under the same time, earlier I used to talk about ease of doing business. Now I am talking speed of doing business. How fast we can clear all our clearances, everything. I am very happy. Japanese friends are here. We are having very good relations with them. Even Sri City, significant Japanese companies are working with us. I really appreciate them. And I am requesting them, make Andhra Pradesh as your hub for development and also for your business operations. We are here to help you all out, and anything transparent policy we will create. Compared to here, LPG and also PNG, if you see, 15% cost reduction, that is what our people are claiming, very happy. Even 20 to 30% they are claiming, that is CNG, everything, natural gas. This is where our products should compete international market, global market. You wanted to compete global market. One is energy cost, another is logistics cost. These are all very, very important. We are working in that direction. And also pollution-free atmosphere we want to create. That also, I'm very happy with you to work.